TPAS, the tablet PC Annotation System, lets you capture condition survey information directly into AutoCAD using a tablet PC and a digital camera to annotate and photo document fault conditions. TPAS is integrated seamlessly into AutoCAD, and surveying in AutoCAD is easy. With a few simple tools, you can pan and zoom anywhere in a large drawing. With TPAS, you drag and drop ready-made annotation notes into the drawing, and custom user interfaces let you input specific information about each fault condition. Each TPAS note includes a wealth of information about each fault condition. As you annotate the drawing, you can take as many pictures as you like, knowing that TPAS will keep track of which pictures go with which annotation. TPAS not only does the tedious work of renaming your pictures, it also creates hyperlinks within the AutoCAD drawing so that you can open survey pictures directly from the survey notes. And TPAS photo names convey useful information about each annotation, including the location of the condition, the material affected by the condition, the specific type of condition, and the year of the condition survey. With TPAS, you can also upload your survey annotations and pictures to a secure online web portal where you can view and share your survey data in a web browser. Just open a web browser and log into your TPAS web portal, where your survey notes and photographs are instantly available online. Back in AutoCAD, TPAS will also automate length and area calculations during your survey work. Here, I'll draw a crack. Then, I'll annotate it using the pre-populated custom dialog box to describe the specific type of crack. Although I'll have to enter the width of the crack myself, note that the crack length is automatically filled in. For conditions that cover an area of the facade, I draw a graphical symbol around the condition, then label the area with a TPAS annotation. In this case, the area is calculated and put into a specific field in the annotation. Let's take another look at the TPAS web portal. This time, I'll upload a group of survey notes. The TPAS web portal includes several ways to view the survey information. This is the report view. The report view shows a specific group of survey data, with each condition appearing as an individual record. This is the summary view, which allows easy filtering for selective viewing of survey data. The summary view makes it easy to generate custom reports. The report view is interactive. This first record includes several survey photographs. I can move back and forth between each one. In addition, I can add remarks to records individually. This is the drawing view, which lets you review and interact with the survey drawing in a web browser without using AutoCAD. Here, you can filter the survey data and view survey pictures directly within the drawing view. The navigation table at the left of the drawing lets you easily and instantly change your view of the survey data. Each symbol in the drawing view represents a single survey record. With TPAS, you gain so many new ways to analyze and share your site survey information.